is this thing? Is it so dark and so ugly? Let's check outside. It's a long way. Yep, here it goes. There's something wrong here. I really couldn't see that. What's the problem? I think I should go in my room. Okay, I'm just gonna begin to cook breakfast or whatever it's called. I could really, Oh, there's food here. I think Mom really cooked this for me. I'm just going to get my cup. Here, so that it's really good. I think I should chat my mom. No reply. Oh! Ah! I've just fell down. Okay, so this thing. Mom, where are you? I think I should fly. Mom, where are you? It's me. And then, suddenly, whoosh. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Oh, it's so dark. I really can't see. Whoosh. Oh, oh, ouch, ouch. Suddenly, it lit on. What the fudge? Fine. I think there's an electrical thing. Here, let me check. Oh yeah, there is. Now it's back to normal. I think I should sleep.